Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Stellar Lumens. We're going to be talking about what's happening with the price, analyze the charts, and see what's happening in the immediate short term, and what are some next price targets we could be looking at in the upcoming weeks to come. So if you like these kind of videos, you guys know what to do. Come join the Crypto ZX army, and now let's get right into it. If we're looking at Stellar's price right now, it is currently trading at 10.4 cents, down 0.3% in the last 24 hours. In USD comparative, we're also down about 1.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, the market cap is currently sitting at $2.8 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $61.7 million. But now shift our focus on the price analysis and see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price currently trading at 10.4 cents, and if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, since it's all-time high from last bull cycle, we are still down about 87.3%. So you guys can see we still have long ways to go for the price of XLM to reach that level once again. And a lot of people come and say that XLM might not survive this and that, but I personally think XLM is here to stay because it has shown its overall power, and the product itself keeps on innovating. The team continues to develop, and the community is still really strong. And as blockchain gets more and more evolved around the world, more and more companies are going to start partnering, especially banks, with these payment companies, and Ripple and XLM are two of the biggest ones when you think of it when it comes to crypto. But obviously Stellar has such a lower market valuation compared to Ripple, like big time difference, but still the amount of eyes on Stellar and the community speaks for itself. And remember, the market cap is almost $3 billion. That should tell you that this is not a small project. And if you do have this in your portfolio and you want me to analyze the charts, if you're looking at the charts right now, let me share something with you guys. So basically, since March 29th, let's go to the daily time frame so you guys can get a better picture as to what I'm saying. So since March 29th, you guys can see we finally, it was a very historic thing for the price of XLM. Now you may be saying, why is this historic? Because you guys can see, this level of resistance is extremely important, which is at that 10.2 cents mark. And after the FTX collapse, literally after the FTX collapse, we literally traded below this range. And finally, March 29th came and we finally popped out of this range. And what we're, we should be happy about is that XLM stood within this range. It's accumulating, but the most important thing that you guys want to know is that, the price of Stellar has remained above that 10.2 level of support, and it even did not touch that zone. We went all the way down to 10.23 cents, but you guys can see now that this level is showing strength, and this tells us that the price is in an upwards trajectory. And remember, now we're going to come and hear some comments. Now you could be like, oh, why is this not going up? Why is it stagnant? Remember, it takes time. It's not going to be happening overnight, because if you picked it up at the beginning of the year, let's go back down memory lane. Let's say you picked up some Stellar at the beginning of the year, you are up about 50%, and now we are facing massive levels of resistance coming up for itself. You guys can see it was a massive level of support, so that is coming as a level of resistance for us. If we clear that, guys, and BTC dominance on the other hand continues to pull down, and this altcoin rally really does start again. A lot of altcoins are lagging right now. It's not just Stellar. You're not just going to come here and say, oh, Stellar is not just the only one that's not moving. Absolutely not. There's a lot of altcoins in the market that are not going towards the upside right now. Very stagnant, a lot of sideways momentum, lagging behind Bitcoin, but that's mainly because the momentum is still mainly on the Bitcoin side. But when this when exciting times come is when we break out of this level of resistance at the 11.6 cents mark, guys. If we break out of there, I would not be surprised if Stellar goes all the way up to this 13 to 14 cents range. And if we break out of that, next target is at that 16.58 cents mark. And I wouldn't be surprised if we reach that in the upcoming near future, because if you guys bring up the measuring tool, that's still a move of about 59% to go. And remember, cryptocurrencies, when the FOMO kicks in, when things are going absolutely insane, things really do move up fast. And we're gonna see a lot of people come and make some comments on Stellar, saying Stellar's not moving a lot, we're gonna miss this bull cycle. But remember, guys, this is just the start of the bull cycle. Let's go back 2020 was the start of the bull cycle, but we saw a lot of stagnant price movements. But later that year, things really started exploding, especially 2021, and history usually has been repeating itself as of now. So we are expecting the parabolic type of moves to occur in 2024, but only time is going to tell, of course. But I'm very confident that we're going to see some explosive moves next year. But this is more on the accumulation end, but that does not mean we are not going to see gains being made this year. And I'm very confident we're going to see altcoin season occur sooner rather than later, and that's where I'm expecting a Stellar to really make a beautiful bounce. But let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys have Stellar in your portfolio? What your strategy is right now? Do not forget to let me know, and I love you all. See you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.